this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I've got something that came out of an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, and get yourself a discount. Okay? So this, it's another one for the summer months. It's another cold noodle. This is a cold Bukkake Udon. Now, I don't need a refresher course in the naughty term Bukkake. I know exactly what it means, and I know you do too. But Bukkake literally translates from Japanese to the word splash, which is probably why Anyways, yeah, so it's like cold noodles with a splash of dressing. What I found kind of humorous about this one is it shows, let's see, there and there, it shows kamaboko, right? And here are the two pieces of kamaboko that come with it. I was really expecting that to be, I saw that and I was like, oh, that's got to be a joke. And no. 5 minutes on the timer. So I've been away for a few days. My lady got 4 days off in a row and it was great. So, well, half of it was. I'll get to that today, tomorrow, next day. I'm doing 3 reviews today, which will come out 1 a day. So, first things first. I forgot a couple episodes about doing the quotes out of this book. This is a book that the head of Myojo USA was kind enough to send me. He got it from the mothership of Nissan Foods in Japan. Thank you so much. I've wanted this for years. This is Momo Fukuendo Speaks. They're all quotes. If you're a Star Trek fan, this is basically the Ferengi Rules of Acquisition by the man who invented the instant noodle back in 1958. So let's sit back, relax, and enjoy yet another wonderful bit of wisdom. Here we go. Number 12. I once turned into a hungry pig. When I crawled back out of that misery, I awoke to what food really is. Wow. That's heavy. It really is. I think I can identify with that a little bit. After losing 160 pounds, it's just like my relationship with the meal is a completely different thing. I'm still a hungry pig, though. I will say that. I think the thing that's weirdest, too, is the bulk of the video that I have on YouTube is from before I lost a bunch of weight. So I still get things like, man, that guy's fat, and blah, 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 blah. And it's just like kind of funny. I was like, why don't you look at one of the more recent ones? Yeah. Yeah. What do you think of that? I had a guy do that a couple days ago, and I called him out on it, hasn't replied. I called him out again on it, still hasn't replied. It's fun. Yeah, that feels really good. 2 days. 2 days till school starts. They are already big fans of tablets, so my wife's gonna pick up his tablet today from. Gonna write his name on a piece of paper and hold it up to the window of the car, and then they're gonna. I think they put it on the hood and run away or something. What a weird, wild world, ladies and gentlemen, that we live in. What are you doing? What was that? One moment. What was that? Okay. I heard a very odd, troubling noise. But yeah, went and did, got that going on. Put new light bulbs up there. You'll have to let me know if that helps with the lighting situation. That lighting situation has just changed a lot. This morning I went walking. It might be on today's or tomorrow's. There's going to be a change in the intros. Not like a big change. There's a lot of intros now, but I keep trying to update stuff, and I'm trying to use some like vocoder style-y effect on it. Now it sounds like I hear a fire alarm going on. I don't know. Well, it stopped, so I'm happy about that. And we have 33 seconds left on the timer, or less. So basically this will get stirred a little bit. The time will run out. I'll drain it, rinse it with cold water. Add stuff in and make it happen. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh man, there's like so many weird things that I could take up 5 minutes with. And I think at least 2 of these, I think the next one will be a 5-minute or 2. Yeah. So, yeah, on Friday we took the kids to the dentist. That went incredibly well. Mimi did really good. She was kind of leery at first, but then she's like, okay, all right, okay. Miles, on the other hand, reacted as I did when I was a kid, so that's all good. He was like, no. And they're like, well, we'll give a referral to a more kid-friendly dentist. How about that? I'm like, okay. So we'll get him in. All right, and now we have cold udon noodles. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our stuffs and things. Yeah, they're cold. So, yeah, we'll just add this one, and stir it up and give it a try. Whew. But yeah, Thursday went well. And then Friday was good, but Saturday and Sunday, oh man. Oh boy. And today it continues. What continues, you ask? I'll let you know on the next episode because it's like rough business. But yeah, it was really nice having all that time to hang out. I like having time to hang out with my family. They are good people. I know them very well. I enjoy their company. Alright, and we're going to give this a nice, hearty stir. Bukkake Udon, that is. Ice cold Bukkake Udon. I wonder if that's going to trigger the YouTube. Oh my, uh-oh, no. It It probably, it either will or it won't. I don't know how dirty YouTube is to know the dirty thing. Okay. Let's see. Cheers. I'm gonna say this is one of my lesser favorites. Reason being is that it's got a lot of. It doesn't have that sweet. It doesn't have the almost vinegary. It's just got a lot of bonito. Yeah, I don't know. It's all right. It's all right, but it's just not my favorite. And that's okay. So let's plate it anyway. I really want to use this one? Yeah, I do. Oh, don't want to lose one of those precious pieces of kamaboko that's, I think it's kind of funny because it's like, really? Only 2 pieces? What are you guys doing out there? Is it your turn? With what? Don't you have your tablets? Well, enjoy your tablet time. I almost felt like I gave them too much tablet time. They're gonna start school, and it sounds to me like they're gonna have like a ridiculous amount of tablet time. Because learning is fundamental. Reading? I don't know. Fun is fundamental. Fundamentally changed by little bugs we call coronavirus, ladies and gentlemen. Makes life a little more difficult. But hey, we're all in this together. Oh yeah. Does it? Yeah. Man, I remember this place I went once, and I don't know why the eggs are reminding me of it, but they would split open a tomato like this, in this style, all these wedges, and it was like this British joint, and they put in the middle like curried chicken. And it was freaking amazing. God. It was really, really good. And then nobody went to this place, and so the guy turned it into a sports bar. But it was neat. They had like a tea room that had like this amazing painted like a mural on the ceiling of the sky and all this stuff. It was really, really groovy. I think we're good there. Rotato, you know what to do. gentlemen, thank you for watching. First one this week. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Hey, every day, something new. Have a good one. Bye.
Todo era bonito cuando lo hacían contigo. Ahora te pido amor como si fuera un mendigo. Y para ser bien claro, que les pidan a Cupido y te traigan pica pica pa' tus supuestos amigos. Como quieras, y si quieres lo hacemos a tu manera. Y solitico nos dañamos el corazón. Duele bien cabrón, pero no importa, ya no vale la